Hello, my name is Danielle from Board and Library Rakow Branch, and I'm here to show you how to make these mini flower pot gnomes. This video is a companion piece to the adult teen take and make kits provided by the Rakow Branch. They can be picked up at either the front desk or drive up. The kits are first come, first serve, and supplies are limited. If you haven't picked up your kit or if the kits are no longer available, don't worry, I will still go over the supplies so that you can still make this craft. All supplies can be purchased from your local craft stores. So, let's begin. First, I will go over the supplies. For this craft, you will need a 1.5-inch flower pot, a wooden bead. I'm using a 16 millimeter, a piece of thin twine at least 12 inches long, your choice of yarn, a piece of cardboard at least 4 inches wide, a pair of scissors, and a glue gun. And finally, paint, beads, buttons, anything that can decorate your flower pot. So first things first, you're going to take your piece of cardboard and your yarn, and you're going to start wrapping the yarn around the piece of cardboard like this. Now, depending on your yarn, this might take more or less. The idea is to get enough yarn to fill in the pot repair. So once you've wrapped it enough that you believe it can fill in, you're going to take your scissors, cut that, you're going to take your piece of twine, and you're just going to go underneath that yarn and thread it. Take your scissors and start cutting your yarn at the bottom. Okay, you're going to take your flower pot and you're going to want to thread these ends into the drainage hole down here. This can be a little tricky, just keep at it. When you got that, just pull your yarn up. If you got to this point and you realize you don't have enough yarn, that's okay. You just take your piece of cardboard, wrap some more yarn around, pull this out, take the twine, thread it, cut the yarn, and you'll have more yarn. Okay. So once you got that, you're going to take your glue gun. You're going to just pull a little on the top so that is nice and flush with the pot. You're just going to put a little dab of glue at the top. That'll help secure the thread. Okay. And now you're going to take your wooden bead You're going to decide where you want the gnome's nose to go. About right there. So you're going to take your glue gun again and just put some glue right at the bottom. Like that. And then you're just going to press that little nose on there and hold it. Decide how long you want the string to be. Tie a knot. And there you have it. That's the simple, undecorated version. If you like to decorate with paint, you can paint the pot, like on this one. If you want to add beads or jewels, or even bells, you can do that as well. Really, it's up to you how you would like to decorate your gnome. If you would like the beard to be shorter, just give him a little trim. If you'd like it longer, just use a bigger piece of cardboard. Really, it's up to you. And that is how we make our mini flower pot gnomes. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting!